Hi, I'm George Zicki, inventor of the Revolution, and here we are at Suzann's house, one of my favorite Club 38 members, and we've got to shoot a video, right? So what are we going to do? Well, there's absolutely no wind. So we've got another option. Do you have any other questions about the Rev?
Well, just like to know how fast they could go and specific winds.
Yeah. What are the wind range of your Revolution? So we've got a New York Minute full vent and we've got a Tarantula. So let's do a little wind test in the back of this beautiful truck and see what we can do. A little more.
Little more. Little more. He's out. Okay.
So here we are on 30-foot lines, New York Minute, full vent, and we're going how fast?
20.
Here's 20 miles an hour. So the key in high winds is you don't...
Line.
We got a power line coming up. The key in high winds is to stay steady. Don't do anything crazy. Are we open now?
Tree.
Okay, now you're open.
No, there's a tree.
Tree.
Yeah. No, yeah. Okay. So here we lift it up, back it down. It feels very stable, and we're going 20 miles an hour. All right, let's take it up to 25.
Let's do 25. 25. It's 25.
Okay, here at 25 miles an hour, still feels excellent. So there's a spin, a hover, forward, reverse, side hover, side slide, snap spin. Nice and stable at 25 miles an hour. So this is kind of that range where I still feel comfortable. The main goal is to not get crazy with speed. You're trying to stay in control. The rule for high wind flying is stay control of your rev. Practice your slow motion flying.
Okay, we're up. Now, hold it.
All right, here we are at
20 miles an hour.
20 miles an
20.
hour with the Tarantula. So again, the rule is keep it steady. Don't do anything radical. Practice your slow motion maneuvers.
Tree. Tree.
I'm hovering sideways. I'm moving, I wait for the tree, and we're clear of the tree. No, and I fly up, down, sideways, forward, reverse, forward, reverse. This is the low tree. Yeah, watch that tree.
Okay.
And we're flying at 25
25.
miles an hour. So I'm starting to feel some tension here. I'm still in total control at 25 miles an hour. Still practicing my rotation. The key in these high winds, especially if you're a new pilot, is to keep it slow and in control. Every minute in the sky,
30.
you're in control. Here we are at 30 miles an hour. So I would consider this kind of the higher limit for the Tarantula to stay in control. I can fly in higher winds, but I'm still in control. So I'm rotating sideways, rotating the other way.
Now.
Rotating, reversing, forward, reverse, rotate, forward,
Line.
reverse,
Now.
hover.
40. This is 40.
Hey, I'm pushing the limit.
Give me the speed, Suzanne. 30, 30, 40. Get it up. What's the speed?
Okay, Suzann, what do you think about that?
I don't think I would ever fly in that high of winds.
Okay, well, they can fly in pretty high winds. The key is keep it nice and slow and in control. Be sure not to try this at home with your revs. Pick up a rev. We'll see you on the field.
I mean, you know, for what it's worth, honey, I'm really not into kites. If you really want to rev it up, come ride with me.
I've loved these cars ever since I was a kid.